What's going on, guys? Hold on. Yeah, what's going on, guys? So, as you recall, if you've seen any of my previous hey, hold on, there you go, guys. All right, cool. If you've seen any of my previous videos, then you know that I bought some head studs that didn't quite work, but I had a crazy idea and benefit a subscriber out there that may be watching this channel that has the block that actually will work with that. If you have the 4-inch, well, let's get to it. So I have these. I bought these, and the full set. It's got all the small ones here. It's got the 4-inch bolts here and 4-inch bolts there. So it's the complete set. If you have the 4-inch bolts and not the 6-inch. Now I thought I had an 04 engine block. I was wrong. But it comes, like I said, with the nuts. Here's the washers. Here's the nuts for the other one. There's the washers for that. As I said, it's the full kit here. So what I'm getting at is I'm gonna give away this whole kit. Obviously, you're not gonna give away part of it. I'm gonna give away this kit to somebody. All right, so I am going to be doing a little giveaway here. So I have this head stud kit. This is not an ARP head stud kit, so let's not get carried away here. This is just a basic head stud kit, but it does have the 12 point. Let's see if you can get a good look at that. It does have the 12-point nuts on it. So but what I plan on doing is I want to give away these to some subscriber of mine so that they can actually use it, because I cannot use it, unfortunately. So I'm hoping that one of you guys out there is needing some head studs. So what I want to do is, obviously you need to be a subscriber. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe then, because you're going to want to be have a chance to get these. So then you're also going to want to comment down there in the comment section, and I will get one of my friends and we'll do a video of it. He will randomly select, friends, I will get Michael, the other guy on this channel. He's going to go through and randomly select it, and you will get to see how we randomly select it. And whoever we choose, we will reach out to you, get your shipping information. We will cover the shipping cost, and everything. We'll get it directly to you. Now, this will only be for the United States, because I will be doing this out of pocket, and I can't afford to ship outside the United States. It's a bit pricey, and I apologize. But maybe later on down the line, when we do these giveaways, I'll go international. I know I got a few y'all that watch that are not in the United States, and I do apologize that I am leaving you guys out. But in time, if we grow and get bigger, I will include you guys, no problem. It's just all this is coming out of my pocket, so, and I do apologize again. But that being said, if you would like to win these right here, or you know somebody that is working on a 04 or newer 5.3 engine block and is looking to use these right here, then yeah, get them to subscribe as well. I'm just want somebody to be able to use these, because I can't. And the company that I got them from, it's not their fault. I thought I had an 04 engine block, so I ordered head studs for an 04 engine block. I should have looked a little bit closer and realized that I didn't, and that's my bad. They were actually nice enough to refund me $6 of it, which isn't very much, but they didn't have to do that either. So that being said, I couldn't get it exchanged, so I'm just out that. So I figured I'd share the wealth. So if you want it, if you want that kit, go ahead, like, subscribe, comment down there, just say, hey, I would like, or just say that you're interested or something, you know, along those lines, and I will go through and I will randomly choose, like I said, one comment, and I will reach out to you. But yeah, let's get back to what we were doing, which was this head stud right here. I actually went out, hold on, let me actually clear off those head studs. All right, so this is what we'll be using today. I wanted a good pair of pliers that had nice fresh teeth, because as you know, it sticks out enough. I should be able to bite onto it, and all the ones I kept seeing didn't seem like they went small enough to bite on here. And so I figured the vice grips, I can grip on there pretty good. That's why I got me a fresh pair. Now for this hole, went ahead and got me one of these fresh ones, so I make a nice good punch. I want a center of that. I want the center of that bolt, and I don't want to be jumping around, so that's why I have that. I have a little extraction set here. I had another one, but they were gotten rusted, and I was afraid they would just snap, so better off just getting a new one. That way you know it's not going to mess up. And I got some drill bits. These were all this stuff came from Harbor Freight, you know, budget build. So I think all this stuff was very cheap. I wanted some drill bits, so I got the right size, so I got a wide variety there. So yeah, this is what we're going to use. So hopefully the first one here for this right here is going to work out pretty good, and I can just bust that loose. I'm tempted to go ahead and heat this up just to be sure, because I feel like something's up in here, and so I don't know if this is gonna, I may have to get some new heads, but we're about to find out together. All right, so I can tell you now it's gonna work pretty good. I've put it on here, and I just I hit it just a little bit just to see, and it already basically broke loose. So I couldn't turn it enough, so I'm gonna grab it like this. And hold on, let me set you guys up so y'all can watch what's going on, and I don't have to be all bouncy and all nimbly bimbly. All right, so we're going to be using these guys. So people were like, "Oh, that's primitive," but I'm hoping that this is not actually that tough here. So let's see here. I want to get good bite on it, and it's not budging. So let's dial it down a little bit. Let's bite it up here a little bit here. Nope, gotta tighten it just a little bit more. If you want a good bite on it. Okay, so it's budging. It's just gonna take a little bit of work. I wonder if I can bite it this way now. Let's see. Oh, it's so close. You seen it move just a little bit there. Oh, this is perfect. So as you can see, it is coming out there. Slowly but surely, she is extracting. So I wonder how this one broke out, because it really wasn't that tough. I mean, was it just like somebody didn't want to wait to take the vehicle, was in a wreck, and this was just basically ripped off? But I mean, all the rest of them, all of these holes are perfect. So it's just kind of weird. I think I can actually, no, I can't. Bet I can do this though. Look at that. See, it came right on out. Goodbye. Now, that was the easy one. That one right there is not going to be so easy. Getting y'all a good look at that. This one is going to require some finesse, but this right here, I'm gonna take it, and I want to find roughly the center, which is roughly about right there, and all I'm gonna do is just got it once. I want to get it a couple more times. There we go. And this thing is not very good. I have already rounded off that tip right there. Not a very good thing here. So, but it did what it needed to do. Alright, I gotta go grab my drill, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, welcome back. I got my drill, and let's see here. Alright, so got me my rigid here. I'll be using this obviously. But yeah, I'm gonna hopefully drill out this hole real quick or drill out that bolt a little bit. Gain us a little bit of depth so that we can use the bit that we need. So here we go, here's a better look at it. Probably gonna be using this one, I'm thinking. Let's see. Yeah. I'm pretty sure this one's too big. Yeah. So let's use this one right here. So we're going to need a bit big enough to handle that. We're going to start with this size bit, which is a 9/64. Let's see what happens. I'm hoping that the heat generated during this, I'm hoping that the heat generated during this will help bust it loose when the time comes, which is now. So, look at that, broke it off immediately. Dang. Yes. Yes. We are not out yet, guys. Just a little broken, that's all. Alright, so I'm going to do it just a bit different way this time. I'm going to go a little slower and try using a wrench with this thing. Hang on, let me... Alright, looks like I need to go just a bit deeper. Not a bit deeper, but... man, I don't know, man. Come on. Damn it. I mean, it's not much screw left in here, but it doesn't care. Come on. Oh, wait. Oh, it's going. Oh, it's going. Oh, Oh man, it's getting there. It just takes a little bit, it takes a lot of force. I thought it was done for. It's not far from it, but it's still biting right now. All right, guys, this might be dumb. I'm gonna try it again, but I got it on the 1 speed. I'm hoping that it's just gonna, you know. Oh, we gotta go in the right direction first. Whew. But you know what? I think I can get that with the vice grips now, though. Oh yeah. Oh man, this is great. Oh god, look at that. Didn't even go through the bottom. Woo! It's a good feeling, guys. That is a great feeling. For those of you that have gotten bolts out of the things like that, you know what I mean. That is a great feeling when you get something out like that. Whew. Man, I'm so happy now. That changes everything. I thought I was about to have to replace these heads. Oh man, so happy now. I was like, dang it, I just got these things back together. And he was gonna have me do that again? No! Yes! Yes! Haha! Yeah. So, don't know if y'all can tell, but I'm happy. It might be upside down. Hold on. Am I right side up now? Sweet. Alright, so, hold on, let me get y'all off of the stand here. Alright. So that was the 1 bolt right there. That was, you see I got a little, I nicked it up a little bit right here. Get you in there and let you look at it real good. Can't really, it's not focusing on it, but just know that it's a little nicked up, but it won't be bad. And this was the other one, and it's gone. So I can obviously remove this and this because that's done. Oh man, that's a weight on. I was worried about those things, honestly. I was a little worried that I was gonna have to replace these heads. But gladly, I do not have to. I can continue on doing what I'm doing. So hopefully tomorrow my connecting rod bearings will actually come in, and I'll be putting out a video on that. But hey, hope you learned something about getting bolts removed. If not, hey, I'm glad you watched anyways. See you guys, and if you haven't already, go ahead, like, subscribe, and remember that I'm giving away this box right here of head studs for an 04 and to 2011 5.3. Remember that, and you remember what I said. So, all right, see how this goes. It's gonna be my first giveaway. So, all right, let's do it.